Good morning. Welcome to another edition of Tech Edu Tips. We're at 9:32, aiming for 1,000 eventually. We'll get there maybe this year. And then comments is what I find more important, more interesting. Thank you to recent commenters. And another version of recording this, I started reading everything in Spanish after reading these comments because a bunch of them are in Spanish. Thanks, Said, Andres, Eugenia, Eduardo, Ernesto are the latest commenters over about the last month. So thank you. Go ahead and add your comments if you've got some. So Chris Hoffman at How to Geek made a post a couple of years back. It's only a year and a half back on what's the best way to back up your computer. And the best way is actually just to do it. Windows has built-in systems, Mac has built-in systems, Linux has built-in systems. I wrote a blog post many years ago, back in 2014, about backing up your data, very focused on Linux. I've recorded videos about this, like a Spanish language Linux tips video about using time shift, but I could do more Linux videos if you like. In Windows, file history, simple. You just, go to your backup settings, turn this on, get a disk, get an external disk that you can unplug and plug in, because you don't really want it plugged in all the time, but you need to plug it in often enough. And Windows will recognize, oh, there's the backup disk, I'll run backups now. And so hook it up every few days or every week or whatever works for you. You don't want backups to be a problem because you don't have them. And the other option for Mac is Time Machine. It's been around a long time. My parents have a time capsule, which is nice because it's on the local network of their home, and then that means it's always hooked up and available for people to back up to, and multiple machines, which is really, really nice. So that's the way it works on Mac. And Windows, Linux, you'd use something like Time Shift. If you like a video with more details about this, then please drop a comment below. I have problems in configuring this on Windows or Linux or Mac. Hopefully I can get to your questions. Mac is a little bit more tricky because I don't have one in the home office. I've got one in the office at the university. But go ahead and drop your comments below and any suggestions for other videos. I hope this is helpful, and I wish you all an excellent week.